Proverbs 23 is a chapter in the Bible that offers wisdom on various aspects of life. Here's the whole chapter: Warning against gluttony and foolishness. 1. When dining with a ruler, be mindful of what you're eating and restrain yourself if you're prone to gluttony. 2. Don't crave delicacies, as they can be deceptive. 3. Don't exhaust yourself trying to get rich. Wisdom is better than wealth. The fleeting nature of wealth. 4. Riches can disappear quickly, like an eagle swooping down from the sky. Dealing with others. 6. Don't eat with stingy people or crave their food, as they're only thinking about the cost. 7. They might invite you to eat and drink, but their heart isn't in it. 8. You'll regret the little you've eaten and waste your compliments. Wisdom and instruction. 9. Don't speak to fools, as they'll scorn your wise words. 10. Don't move boundary stones or take land from orphans, as God will defend them. 11. Apply your heart to instruction and listen to words of knowledge. Discipline and parenting. 13. Don't withhold discipline from children. Punishing them with the rod can save them from death. 14. Correcting children with love and discipline can help them turn out wise. Following wisdom. 15. If your heart is wise, mine will rejoice too. 16. My heart will be glad when your lips speak what's right. 17. Don't envy sinners. Instead, fear the Lord always. 18. There's a future hope for you, and your hope won't be cut off. Warnings against drunkenness. 19. Listen and be wise. Stay on the right path. 20. Avoid excessive drinking and gluttony, as they'll lead to poverty. 21st. Drunkards and gluttons become poor and wear rags. Respecting parents. 22. Listen to your father who gave you life and respect your mother when she's old. 23. Buy truth and don't sell it. Invest in wisdom, discipline, and insight. The joy of wisdom. 24. A righteous child's father has great joy. A wise son brings delight. 25th. May your father and mother rejoice. May your birth mother be joyful. Avoiding temptation. 26. Give me your heart and let your eyes delight in my ways. 27. An adulterous woman is a deep pit. A wayward wife is a narrow well. 28. She lies in wait like a bandit and multiplies unfaithfulness. The dangers of drunkenness. 29. Who has woe? Who has sorrow? Who has strife? Those who linger over wine. 30. Don't gaze at wine when it's red. It bites like a snake and poisons like a viper. 31. Your eyes will see strange sights, and your mind will imagine confusing things. 32. You'll be like someone sleeping on a ship in a storm, unaware of the danger. 33. They hit me, you'll say, but I'm not hurt. When will I wake up to find another drink? 1.